virus. And as Ohio continues the vaccine rollout, Dayton Montgomery County Public Health is encouraging minority communities in particular to get vaccinated. News reporter Leah Williamson has more on the effort and whether it is working.
Just last week, here in the sanctuary of St. Luke Missionary Baptist Church, they had an informative panel to explain more about the COVID-19 vaccine. And this week, they'll be transforming the sanctuary into a COVID-19 vaccination clinic. They're taking part in the county's plan to reach the most vulnerable and minority populations and convince them to take the COVID-19 vaccine.
About 9% of Montgomery County's population is vaccinated. More than half of that percentage identifies as Black or African American. But Dayton Montgomery County public health leaders say it's still too early to tell if efforts are working.
We need to go a little bit further along to see how the acceptance is in the African American community and make sure that we are hitting those targets.
But Pastor Bernard Allen with St. Luke Missionary Baptist Church says he's seeing positive reception. After hosting a COVID-19 vaccine panel at the church, spots for the upcoming vaccine clinic filled in less than 24 hours.
Science is not the enemy of faith, and this becomes a great opportunity for us to see how these two can coexist and should coexist.
The African American community is the largest minority community in the county, and since January, public health has worked to build trust in the vaccine and get equal access to doses for underserved communities.
We have the Hispanic community. We have people who speak other languages. So we have information in those languages for them, and we're reaching out through various sources to make sure we're in touch with leaders in those communities to get the message out.
Pastor Allen is already hoping to host another vaccine clinic soon since demand is so high. He says their success so far could reach past the pandemic.
I'd like to see the collaborative effort between the county, health department, the city, and the religious community continue, not only related to this pandemic, but the overall wellness.
Thursday night, starting at 6:30 on Facebook, Public Health will be having a community forum where they will be discussing more about minorities and the vaccine. For more information, visit our website, WDTN.com. In Dayton, Aaliyah Williamson, 2 News, working for you.